What's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And what I want to share with you all in this video are the 4 C's, okay? Now, I meant to cover this in the last video, but it crossed my mind when I was doing the video. But if you want to get more sales, then you should stick to the 4 C's. Now, if you have been in internet marketing for some time, then you probably heard of the 3 C's. All I did was just add another C to this pretty much. And it's pretty much the same concept. You just want to make sure you're doing this every single day inside of your business. Now, if you're doing this, like I said, every day inside of your business, it's slowly, you're basically doing things that's just slowly going to help you to get more results inside of your business. And the more you keep doing it, the more those results are going to snowball into bigger ones, right? So just keep things really, really simple, right? So this video won't be long like the last one. I kind of like to keep things really straight and to the point. But, so what you want to do, the 4 C's, right? So the first C you want to do is, move this down, is you want to create content. Now the reason why you want to create content, move this around, is because creating content will actually help you to build authority in your niche. Okay? So like for me, I'm in the internet marketing space, make money from home, make money online niche. So what I would do is I'll do videos like this. I'll provide value, showing people like how they can actually earn money from home, what it takes to build income from home, how to get more sales, just like this video, right? But the more I start doing this, the more and more I start becoming more synonymous in my niche. Okay, so that's one thing. You want to create a lot of content out there because it's going to help you to bring authority. So a prime example of this, guys, if you follow Grant Cardone, for example, right? So probably, I know like for me, I didn't even hear about heard of Grant Cardone before 2014. Now, since he's been really active on social media and things like that, if you came online and you started to see a lot of his content, if you wanted to know anything about sales or how to increase your sales, the first person you probably would think of is Grant Cardone. Why? It's because he is consistently putting out content on social media, YouTube, his Facebook and everything else, just providing value on how to get more sales within your business, right? So now that he's put out a lot of that free content, his name has become synonymous with getting more sales. Now, there's probably people out there who make way more money than Grant Cardone in that space, but the fact that he is always visible on your social media and everything else, you're going to probably connect with him a hell of a lot more than you would somebody who's not even showing their face or, being active on social media, right? So it's the same thing here. That's why you want to go ahead and create a lot of content, right? And the same thing with Gary Vaynerchuk, right? I know a lot of people have different mixed feelings about those two guys, but you cannot deny the results that they are getting because they're highly active on social media and always creating content, okay? So you definitely want to make sure that you're creating content. Also, by you creating content, it builds trust with your potential customers or team members or whatever else, okay? Because now that they're seeing you more and more often, now you're becoming almost like a household name for them. And now they built that rapport with you, that relationship with you, and now they feel more comfortable doing business with you. And that's why I usually tell people like video marketing is like A1 when it comes to building relationships and building rapport. Because people can see you, they can see your personality, they feel like they can connect with you. So I have like hundreds of videos on YouTube, and even while I'm sleeping or I'm away on a trip or whatever else, even if I'm not on my computer, those videos are always working for me. So somebody can watch a video about Shopify or e-commerce, and then they may see one of my videos in the related videos. And then they just kind of fall down that rabbit hole looking at different videos I have done. And by the time they reach me on Facebook to connect with me or send me a message, they're already sold on me, right? That's why you want to go ahead and if you do videos pretty much, and it's going to help you to build that trust and that rapport with that potential customer, right? And then also, it helps to build your audience, okay? That's one thing you need to make sure that you understand. If you want to have results inside of whatever business you are promoting, you need to have an audience. If you have nobody to talk to about your business, it's falling on deaf ears whenever you are making posts or making videos, okay? So a great way to start building your audience is by creating some content that's related to people in your niche, okay? Now, the second C I want to cover is creating traffic. Okay, so now that you have created this content, you put content on your social media, you put content on YouTube and stuff like that, now you want to start generating some traffic to it. Okay, so the best ways you can do that is free traffic. And how you do that is, like, do videos on YouTube, right? Do videos on YouTube that are on topics that are really popular in your niche, and that's going to generate a lot of traffic. So one of those videos for me would be, like, if you're in the make money online niche, is how to make $100 per day. That video right now for me that I did that video like 3 months ago, and it's almost about to hit 20,000 views. Okay, so I know something like that. That particular topic is very huge in my niche, and like a lot of people want to know about it. So now I'm generating a lot of free traffic just from a video like that, right? So that's how you can generate some traffic. Okay. Also, you can do paid traffic. So you can also do YouTube ads. You can also do Facebook ads as well. And how you want to do with Facebook ads, you want to create content, like I mentioned up here before, create content, drive some traffic, paid traffic to the content you have created, and now you're building an audience over there. Okay, now you're building your own custom audience on Facebook, and now you can send additional traffic to those people who have viewed your content, because now they're familiar with you, they're seeing your face, they built that relationship, that rapport with you, and now they might be more likely to actually join your business or buy your products or services. Okay, so that's how you do that when you want to create traffic. Now that you have created traffic, the fourth C that you want to do is you want to capture leads. And I've been stressing about this in the last umpteen videos when it comes to your marketing. Okay, you want to make sure that you're sending all your leads to an opt-in page or a lead capture page. It's the same thing. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are, whenever you're sending all this traffic to your, your content, to your website or whatever else, make sure you are capturing those leads and you are building an email list. You must do this. Okay, do this. Again, not everybody's going to buy the first time they see something, and they need to build that rapport with you. And how you're going to build that rapport is through your follow-up emails and everything else. But make sure that you are capturing every lead that you're sending to a sales page, a product page, whatever else. Make sure you are capturing those leads. Okay? And then also, the fourth C is you want to convert sales. And like I said, converting sales is going to come through your follow-ups. Okay? And that's going to be your, let me move this up around, like email sequences, right? So when somebody opts in, you can already have an email sequence that's already set, like a 5-day email sequence, and then you can follow up through weekly broadcasts where you're sending out a broadcast like 2 to 3 times per week. So you do that, right? Also, you can do that through retargeting ads. You can do retargeting ads on YouTube, and you can also do that on Facebook and things like that, right? You want to do stuff like that, and by you, again, being really consistent, sharing testimonials, sharing social proof and all that stuff like that, that's going to help you to convert sales. Okay, so let me put that on here. Share social proof, testimonials, benefits of your products or services or anything like that. But you want to make sure that you're staying on top of mind, meaning you can't get lax on this. You have to be hella consistent with it. Okay, the more you stay on top of mind, the more when people start to think like, okay, well, I have an online business now, and now I need to generate more sales. Now I remember Lindsay, I remember so-and-so always in my email talking about different ways to get more sales and all the stuff like that. Then they're going to reach out to you to get that help. Okay, and like I said, most people aren't going to do this the first time they see something. Some people may opt into your list and they won't connect with you until 12 months later or whatever the case may be. It's just how it is, right? And some people may connect with you a hell of a lot sooner and spend money with you inside of your business or whatever else. But you have to make sure that you follow up. If you're not following up and you're just so focused on trying to get a sale right off the bat, then you're not going to get any more sales and you're just going to fall off. Okay, you have to be hella consistent with this, especially with the follow-up. You have to be building those relationships and building that rapport. Okay, so again, those are the 4 things that you need to do, the 4 C's. You want to create content, create traffic, capture leads, and then you want to convert those sales by doing your follow-ups and retargeting and things like that, right? Keep it very simple, and you'll start having results. I promise you, no matter what business you are promoting online, if you do these few things over and over and over again, you will start to see huge results inside of your business, okay? So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you just comment below, and I'll make sure that I'll try to respond to them. Also, I'm going to put some information below on the system that I'm actually using, that I actually use this for to actually capture my leads, create traffic, etc., etc. And it's been actually helping me inside of my business, okay? And it's great for anybody who's really new to the space and you want to learn more about how to actually build an email list that's going to help you to do all these things so you can start getting more sales. So I'm going to put that information below. So also make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so you can get more updates when I do videos like this. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.